हेलो गाइस, मेरा नाम है ओजस। चैनल का नाम है द कुक बुक। तो आज हम आए आइस क्राफ्ट एफसी रोड पुणे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
So the first dish we have tried is monkey burger. इसमें होल व्हीट ब्रेड था, सेसमी सीड्स थे, लॉट्स ऑफ कैप्सिकम, बहुत सारा चीज़ था और इन्होंने चीज़ सॉस भी दिया है। क्यों दिया है किसी को पता नहीं। और फिर ये लिए मेरा लास्ट बाइट है। सो आई विल टेल यू आफ्टर आई टेस्ट इट। बहुत सारा चीज़ है और ये चीज़ सॉस इन्होंने इसलिए दिया है क्योंकि सूखा चीज़ ऐसे ही जाता नहीं है अंदर। सो चीज़ सॉस के साथ इट गोज़ वेल एंड द ब्रेड इज़ ऑल्सो बेक्ड वेल, सो इट टेस्ट्स गुड व्हेन यू हैव इट विद द क्रीम। So the second thing we have tried is cookies and cream freak shake. So let's try this. Oh. Lots of cream, you can see it, Oreos, choco rolls, etc. I have just ate the Oreo and cream. Now let's try the shake. It's a mixture of bourbon and Oreo biscuits. Also the shake is very cold, the quantity is good and the presentation was also good. The taste is nice. It's definitely try when you come here. The base was of vanilla ice cream. Also the cookies were added like Oreo and choco chips etc. Base vanilla ice cream का था और दो जन के लिए काफ़ी था. It's a must try when you come here. Also the price is quite high, बट टेस्ट के हिसाब से ठीक है। black chocolate monster. Let's try it. One more bite. Original chocolate flavor, and also the charcoals added in it gives you the taste of kolsa, as we say it in Marathi. Also the toppings, the choco chips, chocolate sauce, and the garnish of chocolate goes well with it. They have given it in a waffle cone. That is also good. The taste is just awesome. It's number one when you come here. The ice cream was super, as I told you earlier, but having it with the waffle cone is another joy. It tastes so much good that I can't tell you right now. The waffle cone is also flavored in chocolate, so it tastes very well. So in total we have tried 3 dishes today: monkey burger, the cookies and cream fig shake, and black chocolate monster. So I will rate these 3 dishes on behalf of their taste. So first there is black chocolate monster. The ice cream that we made tastes so good, and the toppings over it like chocolate sauce, cookies, and the chocolate garnish was superb. The second place is cookies and cream fig shake. The shake was enough for 2 people, and also the toppings, lot of cream, Oreos, choco rolls, etc. was superb in taste. And the third is monkey burger. It is in third place because on behalf of these two dishes I liked that dish less, so it is in third place. That's it. Thank you.